Am I audible to you? Right. So let us move to the further. So where are we? Hmm? What concept we are discussing? What concept was completed? Hmm? Continue statement. So transfer flow statements. How many transfer flow statements? 4. What are those 4? Break, continue, pause, return. Break completed, continue completed, pause, completed, completed. So pause you can use in every moment of after the colon. Return will come in the functions concept. That is the next topic we are going to talk now. That time the concept of what? In the functions, this return will come. Okay, don't ask immediately. Sir, what about return? Return statement will come in functions. That is my next topic which I am discussing. That time you will come across. So let us move to the next topic I am going to introduce. What is the next one? I hope if you remember, go there once. Transfer flow statements once. Flow controls. Here we discussed. So index I will open. Here up to here I said transfer flow statements except this return. Return will come in functions concept. Before going to this, I will tell you some more examples on this entire things. Some more examples I will tell you. This inner nested state, nested flow, I will explain on Monday. Monday class, I will explain nested loops. I want to tell some more examples today also for using conditionals, looping, and many more things I want to tell. Some more exercise I want to tell. Okay, write down. Online students, start. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of words, which will accept list of words, which will accept list of words and find, which will accept list of words and find length of each word and find the length of each word. Find the length of each word. Find the length of each word. Following? So here I want to go for length of each word. So how do you go about it? Online students, now I am going to enter into the pie chart. Go to the pie chart. Are you practicing daily? So let's close this now. Why students are very less today? విమర్శనం ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోయిన అలా చదువు లేదు పడలేదులే నో ఎడ్యుకేషన్ యూ వాంట్ టు సెలబ్రేట్ ఎవ్రీ మూమెంట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ సో let it be. Come to the point back. So there I am going to take up new Python file. What is that? Words length example1.py. This part of it I am going to talk about it. Tell me what this concept says. Program for accepting list of words and find their length. Find their length. Find their length. I'm going to take. Find their length. I'm going to take. find their length. Okay. Come on. How do I accept list of words? There I'm going to take print, enter, how many, or I will take number of words is equal to number of words is equal to. So I'm going to write it int of number of words is equal to int of input of enter how many words you have. Enter how many words you have. Number of words. If number of words less than or equal to 0, there I'm going to write it what? Invalid input is invalid input. Dot format of number of words. So number of words I'm going to take. Like next I'm going to take else. So I need to do what now? Number of words I need to accept or not? How do you take number of words? LST is equal to, I said already in the last class, for I in range of 1 comma number of words plus 1. Already I said to you how to read. So word is equal to input of, word is equal to what? Input of enter, enter. So I'll say word. So dot format of I, I. That word I will add to the list. LST dot append of what? List. So here I will write. So I'm writing list of words. I'm going to write list of words. I'm going to take it. Print of NOAA. List of words. Now I wrote it. So try to run this case. So here I'm going to take 5. So I'm going to write Python. Now I'm going to write Java. Now I'm going to write a DSA. Now I'm going to write HTML. Now I'm going to write something like you say Go language. So number of words are how many? 5. But I printed what here not now. I need to print. LST I need to print. LST I need to print. So 5. Python. Next is called what do you know? Java. C. C++. And next is called what do you know? DSA. Like that I printed. These are the number of words. Now I need to print length of each word I want to print. How do you print the length of each word? That is my topic. After printing that, I need to print the length of each word. How do you print it? For word in LST. For word in LST. Now I want to print it. I want to print the word as well as I want to print its length. Dot format of, I will say word comma, what I will say? Word comma, len of what? Word. Len of word. That's all. It will print all the words. It will print all the words. Execute. Here I am going to write 5. So there I am going to write Python, C, C++, HTML. The next is called a DSA. This is the data which is getting printed. Each word length is printed. Are you following? This I want to print in the form of dictionary. I want to print it. This is okay. Output is coming. Some people will expect in the form of dictionary. How do you take the same thing in different way? So I'm going to enter into the something different way. So there I'm taking new. So there I will take it 2.py, 2.py. There I will carry this entire thing. Look at this. Here I'm going to use it. 2.py. Here I'm going to write it. LST append. Here I'm going to write it. List of words are there. I will take one empty dictionary, student. Empty dictionary. Empty dict. Why empty dict? For placing word as and its length as value. Its length as value. How do you write it? In this place, I will simply write, tell me, d of what? Word is equal to D of word is equal to LN of what? Word. D of word is equal to LN of. This is adding the data to the dictionary. What is this word? Key. What is this now? Value. For example, you are getting which one? Python. Python from where? LST. What is the D of Python is equal to 6. Next, what is the letter is coming? C language is coming. Next word. C is added and whose length is called 1. Now I want to print a D. D I want to print. Try to run this case. Here I am going to say some 3. So Python I am going to write HYDERABAD I am writing. Something like Java I am writing it. So it is going to count Python 6 letters, Hyderabad 9 letters, Java is what? 4. So I want to print this data. How do you print this data, students? This data you want to print it. How do you print this data? I'm going to write it. Come on. For key comma value in D dot what? Items. D dot items. I want to print K comma V. So I want to end it. I want to end it. Here I am going to write it. So here I will post it. So how simple it is. Try to run. So there I am going to have 5. Python I am writing. C I am writing. HYDERABAD I am writing. And next I am going to write a Java here. And next I am going to write a HTML here. This is the data we got it. Python. This is the data we got it. I hope you are getting it. Understood? So this is the data we got it. If you want any such arrows here like that, you can print it. So here 3, 4. So KVR. So Rosam. Next is called a Travis. Next is called like this. Next I'm going to write. All these letters length is coming or not? Like that you need to find. Very, very important logics. Understood? Right. Online students, is it clear? Very important logic. Right. Next. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept any numerical integer value, which will accept any numerical integer value, which will accept any numerical integer value and find sum of the digits and find the sum of the digits of the given number. Sum of the digits of the given number. Sum of the digits of the given number. What is that example? Student, look at number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number is like this 3, 4, 7, 8. This is a number. This is a given number. What is an expected output, student? So expected output is what expecting 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8. This is what I am expecting. So this is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. This is an answer. I want to get it as 22. I want to get this kind of answer. 22, I want to get it. Say the given number is called what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Given number is called 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to get it as what here? 15. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Like this I want to find out. Can we start up? So this is the data I want to get it. Online students, these are all different logics. Today I am going to post so many questions for you. So I will go for it. What is that logic? 2 logics I will tell once again here. So number, digits, sum, example 1.py. Digits sum example 1.py. Program for program for finding sum of digits of sum of digits of given number. Sum of digits of given number. There I'm going to write it. Number is equal to int of input of enter any integer number. Enter any integer number. Are you following me? Right. That number I am taking into this part. So given number I will write it. Given number is equal to dot format of what? NUM. Whose digit sum I want to get it. How to get the digit sum? That is my topic here. Shall we start up? How do you do? Two logics I want to tell. So this number can be 3, 4, 8, 9 like that. So first I will get what? 3. Next to 4. Next to 8. Next to 9. When 3 comes, I will add with a 0. 3 is an answer. When 4 comes, 4 will add with the previous one. 3, 7. Next 8 will come. 8 will add to the 9. 8 will add to the 7. Next 9 will come. 9 will add to the previous sum. How do you do that? Can anybody can expect it? First of all, how to get 3, 4, 8, 9 like that? Hmm? How do you get it? First, Japan. How do you get it? 3, 4, 8, 9? First, I want to get 3. So, 8, 9. This is I am using logic number 1. Logic number 1 I am using. First, I want to get 3. Next, I want to get 4. Next, I want to get 8. Next, I want to get 9. Rashmika. Rashmika. So, I will come to that logic next, ma. Next, you are saying good. Next logic. నాకు ఇప్పుడు ఏం కావాలంటే 3 కావాలి. According to your logic, 9 will come first. Next 8. That is my second logic, I'll tell you. First, I want to get 3. Next 4. Next 8. Next 9. How do you get it? Come on. For I in. For I in. For I in. రేంజా అంటే ఐ రాస్తే రేంజా ఏం స్టూడెంట్స్ అబ్బా నాకు చదువులేదు ఫస్ట్ సో యూ హావ్ టు టెల్ sir convert this given number into integer sorry string sorry you need to say str of num then only you will get the digits. This is called a d I am taking for your understanding purpose. D. So you have to convert that given number into str. So see this. I am entering 3, 4, 8, 9. 3, 4, 8, 9 one by one is coming. మనం చదువుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్. వన్స్ యూ స్టడీ వెల్ దట్ థాట్స్ విల్ కమ్ ఆటోమేటికలీ. మనం చదువుకోకుండా వితౌట్ స్టడీయింగ్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ బ్యాగ్ వేసుకొని ఒక వాటర్ బాటిల్ పెట్టుకొని ఊరికి వచ్చేస్తే కుదరదు. ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ వర్క్అవుట్. దట్ డేస్ హాస్ గన్ వెన్ వీ వర్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్. For you it is not suitable. You have to read morning and evening compulsory you have to read because your brain is something different. Why? WhatsApp, social media content is more you are concentrating. So this is a part we are writing. Converted into that. What is the type of that? Type of D is also called what? str. Type of D is also called str. So if I enter 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all of them are str digits only coming. So I want to go for taking here s is equal to 0. Now I want to add s is equal to s plus int of d. I need to convert that str digit into what? String type to I'm converting into integer type. That's finishes. Else part I'm writing. Here I'm writing print of. I will write it. Here I'm writing. What is this I'm writing? Digits sum. Digits sum of like this is equal to I am writing num comma yes. Yes. That finishes. There I am writing 3489. 3489. Given number, digits sum 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9, 24. You say one more thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 15. 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 4, 5. 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. Some number, whatever it is, 30. Like that. This is called one logic. Second logic I am going to tell. Why I am telling these many logics? To make you intelligent. If you don't practice, if you don't do according to my expectation, things are very complicated, not in your favor. So, coming to this place, 2.py, I'm going to write 2.py, logic number 2. Now I'm going to enter. So I'm going to start. As Reshmika said that I will start the logic. What is this now? I'm going to take it. First, if you take this number, carefully, you come to this place. This number only you take it. This is called iteration number 1. Iteration number 1. What the iteration number 1 says? When this iteration number starts, given number is this one. This is called n. Given number n is equal to. Now I am writing is n greater than 0. Yes. So what? Get the digit. Get the digit called what? 8. How do you get the digit 8? In our example, ATM withdraw concept I said 500 notes, 1000 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes, 200 rupees notes. There I said which operator I used it. Modulo division I applied. That you need to use. That concept only we need to use. Chadukunte, when you read well, then you can do this. So what I am saying, digit is equal to n percentage 10. N percentage 10. What is the value here? 3478 of percentage of 10. Percentage will give you remainder. What is the answer now? 347. What is the answer now? 3470. 347 into 10 is 3470. What is the answer will come? 8. 8 is called what? Remainder. D. D is called what now? 8. 8. So this is obtained by using which operator? Modulus. This 347 is there na? This is obtained by using what? Double slash. So in the first iteration, I got the number called 8 and I am getting the remaining number called 347. How do you write? This D, I will take S is equal to 0. S is equal to S plus D, I will say. What is the S value? 0 plus 8. S is called 8. What is the new number? N is equal to N double slash what? 10. So you will get which answer? 347 will come. This I will write it. So what I am doing here? S is equal to what? 0. What I will do? S is equal to S plus D. What is the value of D here? 8. What is the answer of S here? S is equal to 0 plus 8. So that S contains what? 8. Now N is equal to what? N double slash 10. So that N is equal to what? 347. This is called what? First iteration over. Second iteration. What is the second iteration? Iteration number 2. What is the given number here? I am going to write it. Iteration number 2. What is the value? If n greater than what? 0. What is my number? N is. What is the given number? What is the given number? N is equal to what? 347. This number. 347. 347 greater than 0. Yes, true. True. What should I do? D is equal to D percentage 10. 347 of what? 10. 34s. 340. What is the value here? 7. This is percentage. D is containing 7. S is equal to S plus D. What is the value of S already? 8. 8 plus D. 8 plus 7, 15. What is this now? N is equal to N double slash what? 10. So I'm writing here S is equal to S plus D. N is equal to N double slash 10. N double slash 10. Is it clear? Because of that, what is the D value here? 7. Because of that, what is the S value here? 8 plus what? 7. What is the value of S? 15. What is the value of N here? Muddubavulu. 34. 34. Next I will carry. Don't take much time. Tell me immediately. What is the given number here? 34. 34 greater than 0, 2. What is the value here? 4. What is the answer here? 15 plus 4. What is that now? 19. What is the value of that? 3. Finished. This is called iteration number 4. Iteration number is 3. This is the 3. 3 digits, 4 digits are there. 4 iterations will come. This is called digit number 4. What is the value of number 3? 3. Come on, 3 greater than 0, true. What is the D value? 3. Allow chin 3. 10. 10. Yes. What is the value? 3. 10, 0, 0. What is the answer? 3. Digit is called what? 3. What is this value here? 0. This value is going to become what? 0. What is the D value here? What is the value already available? 19 plus 3. What is the answer? 22. What is the N value? 0. 0. Finished. What is the number is finished? Now iteration number 5. What is the iteration number 5? What is the given number? You got it. 0. 0 greater than 0. False. False means it is coming to where? Else spot. There I will print what? S value I will print. What is the S value there? 22. This is logic. So how do you write the logic overall? N is equal to 3, 4. 3, 4. Enter the number. 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. S is equal to 0. What you will do? While of N greater than 0. Why? While I am using iterations 4 times. D is equal to N percentage 10. S is equal to S plus D. N is equal to N double slash 10. Ante. Else I will print of S. That's all. This is what this see how I written. First iteration, second iteration. If you do like this after going to home by taking pen and paper, you are a great student. If you don't write this kind of thing, if you look at only paper and with your eyes, nothing will come. So go to that. Practice makes man. What about girls? Huh? Practice makes man perfect. What about girls? Huh? Proverbs also you don't know. Practice makes who's perfect. So human being perfect. That is important. So coming to the point back. So I'll go to this logic. This is the number I am going to take up. Given number is equal to format of number 3489 is here. How do you write it? While n greater than what? 0. N greater than 0. I will write it. Here I will write D is equal to n percentage 10. S is equal to S plus D. N is equal to N double slash 10. N double slash 10. So S is going to be called what? 0. S is going to be called 0. N number of NUM. This is called NUM. And this is called NUM. Also here NUM. Because of that, what is coming? Sum of the digits. So sum of digits. sum is equal to comma what? Yes, you can write it. Enter the data now. 3489, 3489. We got the value called 24. Very following. 3478, 3478. Value called what? 22. But if I print the result, sum of digits, sum of digits, I want to print like earlier, is equal to, like this, if I try to write it, dot format of, what is that? NUM comma what? S. Can you tell me what is the value of NUM after the while loop? After the while loop, what is the value of NUM? 0. So it will print 0 here. Answer will come, but the result will be coming with 0. 3, 4, 7, 8. It is a 0 is coming, but I want to print the number. Any number you enter, any number you enter, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, like this. 21 is coming, but the number gives like that. For that, what I am going to do, students, I will, once the number is coming, some temporary number I will take it. Temporary number. We are preserving the original number into one temporary number. I will use what today? Tn I will use it. These are all called your intelligence to be used. Execute that. So I am saying 3, 4, 7, 8. You are going to get 3, 4, 7, 8, 22. You enter whatever the number you like. 3, 4, 1, 2, 7, 8, 5, 6. So you got the answer called what? 36. I think you are getting me. This is related to the concept of what? Come on. Finding the digits of the given number by using what? Logic number 2. Earlier one is called logic number 1. Are you going? Right up. Next. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept two numerical integer values. Which will accept two numerical integer values. Which will accept two numerical integer values. Which will accept numerical integer values. And find their GCD and LCM. 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 Do you know what is GCD? What is GCD? Huh? Okay, stand up. అనుకుంటున్నాడు నన్ను పట్టుకున్నాడు సార్ ఈరోజు అని ఎవరో ఒకరు కావాలి కదా సో వీ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ ద సమ్ డిస్కషన్ విత్ ద స్టూడెంట్ ఓకే సో GCD of 10, 4. What is an answer? You said maximum number. Correct? What is the maximum number is according to your answer? 10. రాంగా రైటా మళ్ళీ ఏదో చెప్పావు అది ఏదో చెప్పావట కదా కూర్చో వాట్ ఇస్ ద GCD? ప్రవీణ్ యాదవ్ గ్రేటెస్ట్ కామన్ డివైజర్. ఓ నాకు తెలియదు అది. ఈజ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో greatest common divisor. It is also known as HCF. HCF. What is HCF? మళ్ళా ఫుల్ ఫామే హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కదా. మంచి నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంది మీకు అసలు. సో ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకున్నారు అవన్నీ చదువుకొని? బై రీడింగ్ ఫుల్ ఫార్మ్స్ వాట్ యూ విల్ డూ? నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టెల్ యూ GCD or HCF. Now I'm going to start. Shall I? Go to, in general, what is that? GCD of A comma B. GCD of A comma B. It is also known as what? HCF of what? A comma B. So what is the value of A? Listen the procedure carefully, students. What is the procedure here? What is the value of A? 10. What is the value of B? 4. Come on, start with. What is the GCD process to find? 10 and then what? 4. Carefully follow. What is 10? What is 4? What is 10? Huh? Huh? Dividend. Who said? Correct. Dividend. అది కూడా భయమే. ఇది మనం చదువుకునే కరెక్టా కాదా అని. Dividend. What is 4? Divisor. Now confirming. Sorry, is our favor only. Divisor. And 4 2 ja what? 8. What is the answer is coming? 2. What is this 2? Remainder. Remainder. ఏం రాస్తున్నారు మీరంతా? GCD don't know. In childhood days not done. Okay, రాసుకోండి. And వినండి first. We'll keep it. Is the remainder 0? Is the remainder 0? This is called R. This is called R. Is the remainder 0? No. I will repeat the same process again. You do the process until remainder becomes 0. Repeat the process. What is remainder? 2. 2. 2 should become what? Divisor. That a previous divisor should become what? Dividend. This remainder will become what? Divisor. So, I will take this. And what is this again? 4. What is this now? 2 2s are 4. What is the answer now? 0. Now 0. R is 0. When R is 0, what is the result is? This current dividend, current divisor will become the GCD. What is the answer here? 2. 2 is an answer. This is an answer. Getting my point? Shall we move to the further? What is the concept here? First time. Is the remainder 0? Come on. No. That time what I did? That time what I did? Come on. I repeat, made it. Previous divisor should become what? Dividend. And remainder will become what? Come on. Divisor. And execute again. Execute again. And what is the remainder here? 0. When remainder is 0, what is happening? I will return. I will print which value? Current divisor as a GCD. How do you write it now? Tell me that. How do you take care about this? ఎలా రాద్దాం అనుకున్నారు ఇది లాజిక్? What is LCM? LCM is equal to product of two numbers by product of two numbers 10 comma 2 by GCD of 10 comma 2. I hope you know this. ఎప్పుడన్నా చదివారు ఇది? మనం చదివిందంత వానాకాలం చదువులు మన అన్ని. వర్షం వస్తే స్కూల్ ఉండదు అలా. So product of 10 into 2 is what? 20. By what? GCD of 10 comma 2 is what? 2. What is this answer now? 10 is the LCM. You know? మీకు అసలు ఇది నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటే కదా మీకు ఎస్ ఆర్ నో అనేది. సో ఎనీ come to the practical environment. How do you do? Now I want the logic. While I will write it. What I will write inside the while, you don't worry. What I will do? What is the A value here? What is the A value here? 10. What is the B value here? 4. This is enter two values. You have taken it. What are you doing? Remainder is equal to A, come on, percentage B. A percentage B. If R double equal to 0. R double equal to 0. If R double equal to 0, what will be the remainder? What will be the GCD? GCD is equal to, I will say, GCD is equal to what value? B. B will become the GCD. And I will say what? Break. GCD. Muddulu. So I will write it 10. AB. What is the value of A? 10. What is this now? 4. 4 2 ja 8. This is B. This is A. This is 2. This is R. R is equal to 0. No. I will repeat. This is becoming 4. Previous divisor will become 2. 2 is 4. What is the R is equal to here? 0. When R is equal to 0, what is this answer? B. This is a B. This is a A. This B value I am preserving into where? GCD. And I am breaking. So GCD contains the B value. If not, if R is not 0, that means in this case, what should I do? A is equal to B and B is equal to what? R. What is the B value? 4. 4 should become what? A. And what will be the R? B should become R value. That is called 2. Here I will write it. Else I will write here. Else part I will write it. In the else part, what I will do? A should become B and B should become R. B should become R. Now what is happening? It should go back. It should go back. It is going back to the loop. Loop. What I will write inside the loop? It's a suspense. Once again, I will do what? A percentage B. What is the value of A percentage B? What is the value of A? Mudulu, top quality. A is 10, B is 4. Cheppandi babu. What is this now? R is equal to 10 percentage 4. ఇది లాజిక్. మీకు ఇవన్నీ చెప్తున్నాను, మీకు అంత అర్థమవుతుందో లేదో తెలియదు కానీ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ సో మెనీ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ పాయింట్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ క్యాప్చర్ ఇట్, యు ఆర్ ఎక్సలెంట్. అదర్వైజ్ వీ కాంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ ఎల్స్. సో ఏ పర్సెంటేజ్ బి, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ లైక్ దిస్. 10 mathematics. This is a logic. This is a mathematics. This is called what? A. This is called B. What is the value there? 4. 4 2s are 8. What is this now? 2. That is called R. R is called what here? 2. 2. Ikkada immediate time, right? Is R is equal to 2? No. Coming to where? Else. A is equal to B. In this case, R not equal to 0. No. So what is happening next iteration? A value is becoming which value? B value. What is the B value? 4. 4. What is the B value next? R. What is the R value? 2. R value is 2. Go to back to the loop. What is the next? A percentage B. What is the A percentage B? What is the A value? 4. What is the B value? 2. 2 2s are 4. What is the remainder? 0. R is equal to what? 0. True. GCD is becoming what? This value. B value. What is the B value? 2. And saying what? Breaking. Once you break, it is coming out of the loop or not? Here I will write else. What I will write? Print of GCD is equal to what? GCD I will write it. So here I am writing in this place else. I am writing what? Print of GCD is equal to comma what? GCD I am writing. But what to write here? That is the question mark. While loop is continuously repeating until remainder becomes 0. Until remainder becomes 0. I will write what here? You cannot write R is equal to 0. Why? If I write R is equal to 0, before that R was not there. So I will write it what here? Something which is always making true. What is that? I will write KVR. I will write, for example, what is the KVR within the double quotes? Non-zero value. Non-zero value means what? True. Non-zero value means it is a true. Are you following that? Next, I will write here something like, something like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Non-zero value. It is a true. Next, I will write it. Simply true, I will write it. Simply true, I will write it. That is also called true. It is called making infinite loop. It is making something infinite loop. See that? This is a very important logic today. This logic point is very important. While true, I am writing here something like hello, something like hello. Are you following this? Continuously it is going on coming to hello only. It is called infinite loop. There is no use of that infinite loop. What you will do that time? I will say, here I will write it. Here I will write it. Some condition I will write it. What is the condition I am writing? Before that, before that, I am going to write it. I is equal to what? 0. If true only, what I will write it? I is equal to what? 2. 2 times only I want to print this. I will write it what? I is equal to I plus 1. Start with this. I is 0. Come on. While true, 2. 0 is equal to 2. Come on. So I will write it. 1 minute student. Here I will write it. I is equal to, I not equal to, I will write it. I not equal to 2. Print that. Or I will say something like, instead of this, I will write this thing. I is equal to 2. I will say, break, I will write it. Otherwise, I will print off what? Hello. Like this, I will write. Start. What is the I value? 0 is equal to 2. Double equal to. 0 is equal to 2. False. False means it comes to this place, right or not? Hello printed. What is the I plus 1? 1. Go back. While true. True only. What is the I value is equal to 2? False. What is the value printed? Hello. I plus 1. 2. 2 is equal to 2. What is that? Break means coming out of the loop. Coming out of the loop. This is a beautiful logic. Are you following that? Though it is a true, I'm breaking inside. Same thing. Same to same. This logic also. I hope it is more clear. So I'm going to write this code. So go to that. Now I'm going to take up new. So GCD LCM example.py. Go to the place. Program for finding. Program for finding. Program for finding. Program for finding GCD and LCM of two given integer values. Integer values. There I'm going to write it. A is equal to int of input of enter first integer value. First integer value. That is called A value you want to take, a B value you want to take, it is yours. B is equal to. The main intention is how we are going to shift that divisor into dividend, dividend into divisor, and remainder into divisor. That's the main logic here. If we don't do all these intelligent logics, we cannot become an intelligent programmer. Programmer require intelligence. That intelligence will come by solving this example. How do you do? I'm going to write, first of all, if A less than 0 or B less than 0, B less than 0, I will say print of, what is this? Invalid input. Invalid input. Suppose if I say, what is that? A value 10. A value 10. B value minus 2. 10 less than 0, false. Minus 2 less than 0, true. What is that? Invalid input. Next, minus 2, 14. Minus 2 less than 0, true. Invalid input. 10 and 4. 10 and 4. 10 less than 0, false. 4 less than 0, false. False, false. False or false? False. Coming to which part? Else part. There I need to write the logic. Code for getting, what is this? GCD. GCD. What is this? While true. Super logic. While true. First time you are seeing that. While KVR. ఏమేం రాసుకోవచ్చు అక్కడ ఎనీ నాన్ జీరో వాల్యూ వైల్ కేవీఆర్ వాట్ ఐ షుడ్ డూ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు A percentage B. A percentage B. If R is equal to 0, what is that? GCD is equal to what? B. I will say what? Break. Break. So break. Once you say break, coming out of the loop, else part, else కూడా రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. If you are a good programmer, what I will do? A is equal to B, B is equal to R, right? Done. Coming out of that, it is coming out of this else. There I will write it. Print of what? Backslash T. GCD of first value, comma, second value is equal to like this. Dot format of A comma B comma GCD of. I think you are getting it. So this is the one. You got it. I think if, else, while true, got this answer. So enter into this place. Try to run this code. Enter here. 10 minus 3 invalid input. You say the value called minus 10 and then some 2 invalid input. You say the value called what? 10 and then say 2. You got the answer. Nothing is coming. So where is that? Hmm? Hmm. Also. Also. So coming to this place, this break. So try to do this like this. Try to do like this. Then you, even if you write else also, no problem. Right. So while loop, because there is no question of becoming why this is in disabled format, because it is not becoming as what? False. It is not becoming as false. It is not becoming as false. That is the main point here. So that's why I should not write else. I will write simply like this. I will write simply like that. Without else also I'm writing. That's why two syntaxes I said. Without else, with else. So enter 10 and 2. GCD of 10 comma 2 is equal to 2. You write it. You write it. Here I am going to write it. 100 comma some 23. 100 comma 23. It is going to be called what? A comma B. And final division answer is coming. If at all you want to hold, final answer is called what? 100. This is a 23. 23. How much? 23 into 4. 24 center. So it is going to be 12, 8, 92. 4 and this is 92. How much? 8. 8 and this is 23. What is this now? 8 2. What is this now? 16. What is the answer? 7. Half what? 8. What is this now? 1. 7. What is this now? 1. This is the 1. What is this now again? Come on. This is called what? 7 and this is 1. Half what? 7. What is this? 7. What is the answer? 0. This answer is coming. This answer is coming here. Are you following me? So instead of that, you want to hold original answers, you can. Original A1 is equal to A. Original OA is equal to A. Original A value. Original B value is equal to what? B. B. When you come to this place, what I will write it? OA and then OB. That's all. Super. What is the value center? 20, 123. So 123 is equal to 1. Like that. You enter 23 and 100 also no problem. 23, 100 also no problem. It will be exchanged automatically. 1. So this is a subject. So sir, I want to write else part also, sir. నేను ఇంకొక లాజిక్ చెప్తాను మీకు. Just to get this intelligent point, to generate the solution for the given problem require తెలివి ఉండాలి. Intelligence required. To get the intelligence, my notes will give you intelligence. You want to get mango fruit required. Mango fruit will come from a plant only. That plant is the notes. Plant is the notes. If you read my notes, you will become intelligent. Okay. Online students, LCM తీస్తాను. LCM. Print of. What is this now? \T. LCM is equal to original value, comma, original value is equal to like that. I will write it. Dot format of what I will write it. Dot format of OA, comma, OB, comma, what I will do, comma, what I will do. I will write it in the bracket OA star OB by divided by which divided by not single divided by double slash of what GCD. Already we calculated GCD or not? That I will take it. Formula the formula. So what is that? 10 and 3. 10 and 3. What is the formula of LCM of 10, 3 is 30 only. తెలుసా అదే? తెలుసు కదా? తెలియకుంటే after going to home, take one 4th class book or 5th class book. Chapter ఉంటుంది LCM and GCD అని. Or if you still don't have that time, if any kids are there, ask. LCM అంటే తెలుసా నీకు అని. మీకు తెలిసినట్టు అడగండి. You explain అనండి. You ask, explain. They will explain you. At that time, okay, good boy అని చెప్పండి. Or good girl. Then you will learn that and this. So got it. So you say something like 4 and 7, 4 and 7, 4 and 7 next value. You say 4 and then 7. So you got the answer. Are you getting it? Fine. This is the GCD of how many numbers? Only one number, two numbers, three numbers, four numbers, five numbers. Further classes I will tell you. GCD of 10 numbers I want to find out. Generally you will want GCD of 2 numbers, but I want to find GCD of list of numbers. How to find? There is one more logic is there. I'll tell you that. Online students, first of all, is it clear? Now, here else part I want to write it. Please look at. This is one thing. I will go to here. I will write it. In this case, like this. 2 I am writing dot P1. So I'm going to write it, students. Carry this. Here I'm going to write it. Something I am taking. I'm taking here code for getting GCD. RES is equal to true. I'm going to take true. What I'm doing now? RES I'm taking. Here RES is equal to what I'm saying? False. RES is equal to false. Here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. I'm writing. Else part I'm writing. Else part I'm writing. You see now. Else part. You see. After getting GCD, I'm writing myself result I made false. But result found. Beginning RES is what? True. It is like a true only. When GCD I found, I'm breaking, or you need not to write a break also. You need not write break also. Simply you can write this part, you can say, this you write it, this you write it. This part, you see, this part is coming like this. You see. GCD got it. Result is equal to false. It will go to that. Result is false. Coming to else part and then printing. Execute. 10 and what? 3. 10 and 3. Got my answer. For everything, ఇది పని చేయాలి. ఈ బాక్స్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈ బాక్స్లో ఏమైనా ఉందా లేదని ఒకసారి ఊపలకి. Or you need to knock like this. Or still, if you don't know how to knock, if you come here, I will knock. Whether something is there inside or not. When you buy coconut, you will say like this or not. Water is there or not, you will come to know. Like that. Something is there in the brain or not? If we come here, I will just move like this. Where something is present or not. Are you following this? Online students, are you okay? Is it clear for you? See how you converted into the cell spot and everything. Don't move the cells to this side or something like this. Don't move like that. So be intelligent in learning the coding. Okay now? Easy or difficult? Hmm. Easy or difficult? Hmm? Very easy. For me, it is very easy because I'm daily reading, practicing, everything. If you also do, it will be easy for you. Yes or no? Yes. So you know how to run, but you cannot participate in Olympics. To participate in Olympics, what is required? Regular practicing required. మీరు కూడా అంతే. To become a software engineer, require regular practice. Open. Next one more. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will which will convert which will convert numerical integer value into numerical integer value into numerical integer value into numerical integer value into equivalent Roman number, equivalent Roman number, equivalent Roman number. తెలుసా? Roman numbers, do you know? తెలుసా? Right. So I'm going to, you know that. Numbers, Roman numbers, Roman numbers. తెలుసు కదా ఇది? You know na? పల్లకండి బాబు. If you don't speak out, I will not tell this code. Do you know or not? Right, good. You know. Okay. One. Come on. Huh? One. I. Okay, good. Five. Hmm. V. Very good. Four. Hmm. Very good. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. Good. 10. Hmm. Okay, good. X. Nice. 9. 9. Hmm. Okay, good. Good. మంచి నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంది అయితే. Okay, good. 50. XV. ఎవరు మా XV ఎవరు? ఒక X V ఎంత అవుద్దమ్మా? X ఎంత? 10. V ఎంతమ్మా? 5. 10 + 5 15. మళ్ళీ 50 ఎట్లా అవుద్ది? అవుతుందా? వాట్ ఇస్ అన్ ఆన్సర్? ఎల్. ఎల్. యునో ఎల్. మీకు ఇంతవరకే తెలుసు, ఇంతవరకే. మీ టాలెంట్ అప్ టు 10 ఓన్లీ. మీరు చదివిందే 10th క్లాస్. యూ స్టడీడ్ ఓన్లీ 10th క్లాస్. 40. 40. ఎక్సెల్. ఎక్సెల్. డ్రెస్, షర్ట్, ఎక్సెల్. నేను వెన్ ఐ వెంట్ టు వన్ షో యుఎస్ పోలో లాస్ట్ వెరీ లాంగ్ బ్యాక్. ఎక్సెల్. నేను అడిగాను ఎక్సెల్ అంటే ఏంటని. జస్ట్ టు నో వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ నాలెడ్జ్. 40 సార్ అన్నాడు. సో ఐ థింక్ దట్ యూ నో సమ్ నాలెడ్జ్. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఎల్? ఈ సెయింగ్ లార్జెస్ట్. లార్జ్. ఎక్సెల్ అంటే 40. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఎల్? లార్జ్ ఈ సెయింగ్. ఈస్ నాట్ సెయింగ్ ద నంబర్. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ డబల్ ఎక్సెల్? ఈ సెయింగ్ వెరీ లార్జ్. అంటే యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ద నాలెడ్జ్ ఆన్ రోమన్ నంబర్స్. సో అంటే జస్ట్ Double XL and double XL means it is 30. Double XL and 30. L means 50. One left L written, it is called 40. Double XL say 50 minus 20. 30 means what? X, X, X. Three X's are called 30. Okay. Come. Next 100. 100. C. Good. Okay. 9 IX. X. 99. 99. Come on. 10 X. What is the 99 IX? What is the 99? Come on. I C. I see. You see. Wrong answer. I see. You see. Wrong answer. It is the wrong answer. It is actually 99 plus 9. 99 plus 9. 99 is called what actually? 90 plus 9. 90 is called what? XC. XC. Next is called what? IX. That is the value of 99. XC IX is the value of 99. మీకు రాంది నేను ఎంతసేపు చెప్పినా అంతే ఉంటుంది అది. సో XC 90. In the coding, I will tell you, when you go to what? 99, it has to print XC IX. Next, 500. 500. D. 400. CD. 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 499. 499. ID అని చెప్పకండి. If you say ID, there is no ID for you. Right. Okay. 1000. M. 900. 900. CM. CM. These are the Roman numbers. These are the Roman numbers. This you have to study in the 4th class only. In 4th class only, you must study this. Now I will write the logic. I will enter which number? Given number is what? Given number is equal to 2873. For this number, I need to print the Roman number. For this number, I need to enter the Roman number. What is the Roman number for that? 2833 contains, start from where? Compare this number from the highest number onwards. Compare from the bottom onwards. Is 2873 contains 1000? Yes. Print what? 1 M you print it. 1 M. Print 1 M. 2873 contains what? 1000. Print what? 1 M. Print 1 M. 1 M is printed. How much I have to subtract? 1000 I have to subtract. What is the value available there? 1873. Is 1873 contains again M? Yes, print second M. Subtract how much again? 1000. What is the value available there? 873. Is 873 contains 1000? No. Is 873 contains next number? 900? No. Is 873 contains 500? Yes. Print what? 1D. 1D. D means how much I have to subtract? 500. How much is left out? 373. 373. Is 373 contains 400? Is 373 contains 100? Print what? C. Subtract how much? 100. How much is left out? 273. Is 273 contains 100? Print what? One more C. One more C. Subtract how much? Now 100. How much is left out? 173. Is 173 contains 100? Yes. Print C. Subtract how much? 100. What is the number left out? 73. E73 contains 100. No. E73 contains 90. E73 contains 50. Print what? L. Subtract how much? 50. 50. How much is left out? 23. Is 23 contains 50. Is 23 contains 40. Is 23 contains 10. Yes. Print what? X. X. One X is printed. Subtract how much? 10. How much is left out? 13. Is 13 contains 10? Print one more X. Print one more X. Subtract how much? 10. What is the value there? 3. 3. Is 3 contains 10? No. Is 3 contains 9? Is 3 contains 5? Is 3 contains 4? Is 3 contains 1? Yes. 3 times I is printed. 3 times what is subtracted? 1 is subtracted. Minus 1 subtracted. What is that? 1. Minus 1. What is the value available there? 0. Number 0. Number 0 comes means no Roman number is available. Understood? So this is the logic. This is the logic. One more number I will enter. What is the number I will enter? See how detailed part I explained. Number is what? Given number is here I am entering 32,767. How many times thousands are there? 32 M's are there. M. 32 M's are printed. What is the number left out? 776. Is 776 contains 900? No. Is 776 contains 500? Yes, 1D. 1D printed 776 minus 500. 276. Is 276 contains 400? No. Is 276 contains 100? Yes, print what? C. How much is left out? 176. Is 176 contains 100? C. How much? 76. 76 contains 90. 76 contains 50. Yes, L. E 76 minus 50. 26. 26 contains 40. 26 contains 10. X. 26 minus 10. 16. E 16 contains 10. Yes. Print what? X. Is 6. E 6 contains 10. 6 contains 9. 6 contains 5. Yes. What is that? V. 6 minus 5. 1. 1 contains 4. 1 contains 1. Yes. Print I. 1 minus 1. 0. 0 does not contain the Roman number. This is the process. Easy or difficult? Easy. Can you write the code? Now I will write the code. Online students, did you understand? Did you understand, ma? Quickly. Online students are thinking Saturday is a very dangerous class. Yes. Very dangerous class. Is it a dangerous class? Is it a dangerous class, my dear students? Online students, is it danger? Yes. It's a very danger because nobody will teach this many coding parts. So it is not danger. You have to say not a danger. It is a very interesting of doing these many problems. No YouTube, no JetTube will contain this kind of things. So I will go for entering into this place. So let's start with, I'm going to start entering into this place. So I will write quickly this logic. Come on, what is this? Number 2 Roman. Number 2 Roman. Dot py. Dot py. So there I am going to write it. Very simple. Program for converting numerical integer value into equivalent Roman number. Equivalent Roman number. Tell me. N is equal to int of enter the number. Enter integer number. So I'm going to write it integer number. What I'm doing? If n less than or equal to 0. What I should say? What is this now? Invalid input is which input? Invalid input. Invalid input. Dot format of what? N. So I'm going to write it else. In the else part, I need to write the logic. Where I need to start first with 1000. Suppose my given number is 3000 student, 3000. When 3000 is coming, how many times M is printing? So that means there is a chance of printing M symbol more than one time, right? So definitely I need to use which loop here? While loop I will use it. Which loop I will use? While loop. Why I am using while loop? This symbol, there is a chance of coming more than one time. How do you write this now? I am writing while given number more than or equal to 1000, I will print what here? Print of one M is printed. That too in the same line I want to print, comma, end is equal to some space. When M is printed, given number must be reduced by 1000 or not? Gn is equal to Gn minus what? 1000. Trace this, only this part you trace it. 3000 greater than or equal to 1000. To print what? M. Gn minus 1000. 3000 minus 1000. Go back. Suppose by mistake in while place if you write if, it will continue other statements. What is the answer next? 2000 greater than or equal to 1000, true. What is the value printed? M. One more time. 2000 minus 1000, 1000. Go back. 1000 greater than or equal to 1000. One more M is printed. 1000 minus 1000, 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0. False. So 3 M's are printed. Similarly, if I take it as what? 300. What is the 300 also? This is also printed what value? X. X or C? C. So for C also I will use which loop? While loop I will use it. For 10 also I will use what loop? While loop. Why? 10. 10 means how many times? 3 times X. For 3, I will use what loop? While loop. For rest of them, I will use what only? If statement, I will use it. For rest of them. Why if statement I am using? Because that will come only how many times? One time only they will be coming. One time only they will be coming. They won't come multiple times. They won't come multiple times. I think you are following. M 1 is equal to n minus 1000. Similarly, I am writing my logic here. I am writing my logic here. Tell me now, if I will write if statement, n greater than or equal to what? 900. What should I write it? Cm. I hope you are following me. 900. 900. Similarly, I will fast this. I made it already logic development. What is this now? 500. Already slots are there, modulu. 9,000, 900, 500, 400. This all the slots I will write it. So, what is this now? 500. Now I'll write it. Next what? 400. 400. What is this answer? CD 400. I'll write next. I'll write while. After 400, what is that? While. Of what? 100. What is this now? C. 100. 100. Next, I will write it. In this case, one more statement is called 90. 90 is called what? XC. XC. 90. If statement. Next, I will write it. ఏం లేదు ఇంకా అయిపోయింది. So 50. 50. Next, I'll write the code 40. 40. Excel. This is called 40. I will write next 10. 10. This is what? While. While. This is called X. I'll write 10. Similarly, I will write 9. This is called IX. This is called 9. Next, I am writing here what? 5. 5. V. I will write 5. Next, I will write here 4. This I will write it IV. 4. I will write 4. Next, I am going to write it 1. This I will write it I. This I will write 1. So there I am going to write it while. That's all. This is the logic. Want to enter the number? You can. Here 2872. 2872. Start here. 2873 is going to be less than or equal to 0. False. Come fast. While 2873 greater than or equal to 1000. True. What is the value printed? M. 2873 minus 1000. 1873. Since I used while loop, it is going back. 1873 greater than 1000. Second time M is printed. 1873 minus 1000. 873. 873 going back. False. False means going to line number 10. Line number 10 is called false. Going to line number 13. 873 greater than 500. True. One D is printed. 873 minus 500. 373. Remember MMD printed. MMD 2000 plus 500. 273. 373 left out. It is coming to line number 16. False. Coming down. Remember MMD was printed. Coming to this place 1000. What was the value available? 373. MMD was printed. 373 greater than 1000. 100. True. What is the value printed? C. 373 minus 100. While loop. Going back. 273 greater than 100. Also printed C. 273 minus 100. 173. Going back. 173 greater than 100. One more C is printed. I think it is printed. 173 minus 100. 73. 73 going back. False. MMD triple C. 73. 73 line number 22. False. 25. 73 greater than 50. True. Printed what? L. L. 73 minus 50. 23. 23. Remember, 23 is a balance. So coming down, 23 false. 23. Here what is printed? MMD CCL. 23 greater than 10. Printed X. 23 minus 10. 13. 13 greater than 10. One more time X. 13 minus 10. 3. 3 greater than 10. False. 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 True. How many times? 3 times it is going on printing I. Third time, what is the value of I? False. I minus 1, I minus 1, 3 times it is a false. Finished. Execute. What is my number? Execute. So, observe it. MMDCCL LXX I. Go to next minus 34. Invalid input. Put a 99 enter this. 99. 99. Go 99. 99. False. Quickly. False. 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 Come down. Next I will go to what? False. False or true. True. What is the value printed? X. 93, 99 minus 90. 9. It won't go back because it is not a while loop. No need also. Next. False. 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 True. What is the value printed? XC. That is called IX. 9 minus 9. 0. So what is the answer? Got it? XC IX. Further. False, 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 false. So press the enter key. So here it is called what? XC IX. You enter 32,767. 32,767. What is this? How many M's? M's. What is the left out number? 76, 767, 1D, 500. What is the number left out? 267, 2 C's, 200. What is the number left out? 67, 1 L, 50. What is the number left out? Huh? Modulu, 17. 17, 1 X, 10. What is the left out? 7. 1 V. What is the left out? 2 I's. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎస్. 444. 444 అంటే 400 plus 40 plus 4. CD XL IV. ఇది ఆన్సర్ రావాలి. CD XL IV. ఏం బాబు అర్థమవుతుందా? 2025. 2025. డబల్ M 25. 2X 1V. ఇది. Good logic or not? So what you need to do? Reverse. What is the reverse? I will enter Roman number. You need to print number. You need to print. I will enter MMXXV. You need to print 2025. You need to print. This lines of code is written almost how many? 45 lines written. That program what I am giving homework is only maximum 8 to 9 lines you need to write. 8 to 9 lines, if you write it, you will get the answer. That is an easiest part. Dictionary you need to use. Dictionary. If you use it, you will get the answer. Okay, na? So, online students, today I will post that questions. Online students, did you understand today's class? Right. I'll stop my class. I'll post today so many questions for you. You need to do it. You need to solve all of them by applying your intelligence by reading my notes. Right. Thank you. Carry on. All the best.